Tian Degal Dai and Pre-AO Engineering Company Limited. Was founded in 2000. We are committed to textile printing equipment, rotary screen printing machine. Digital printing machine design and manufacturing is one of the national standard units of rotary screen, flat screen, digital printing machine. Our company was awarded the Shaanxi Textile Printing and Dyeing Intelligent Manufacturing Engineering Technology Research and Development Center, belongs to the first high-tech enterprises in Shaanxi Province, has more than 100 advanced CNC machinery, assembly work area of 7,600 square meters. We have a team of more than 10 R&D engineers. More than 40 skilled workers in the company, has passed the ISO 9001 quality system certification, has a comprehensive experimental center to ensure accuracy and quality. The universal rotary screen printing machine with scraper magnetic bars is suitable for woven, knitted, plush clothing, home textile, plush, blankets, carpets, and other fabrics printing. High-speed direct jet scanning digital printing machine is suitable for high-end woven, knitted, plush, and other clothing, and home textile fabric printing. We export various printing machine equipment to over 30 countries, including Europe, Africa, South America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Central Asia. We are a trusted professional manufacturer and system service provider of textile printing equipment. We are willing to continuously strive to improve equipment productivity for our customers and continue to seek new opportunities for collaboration.